All right, here we are at 8 Michael Court in Wilmington, Delaware, and we are just going to do a little bit of flying. So right to the front door, and then wanted to pull back and show you that cul-de-sac. So really a beautiful development, and as you can clearly see, surrounded by woods. So you really do have some privacy in that backyard, and quite frankly, everybody from what I could see really, takes care of their homes, and everything looked nice down the entire street. So again, personal opinion, but really, you don't always see that, and that really stood out to me. So you can also see all newer roofs, quite frankly too, not far from the main road. So if you're looking for ease of commute or getting out of here, you really do have kind of a setback oasis, and in a few moments, you're out there on the main street. So I was thoroughly impressed by that. And here we are. We're just going to take you in and show you that cul-de-sac. So you're technically the one on the right there, or actually pretty close to the middle, with that big tree in the middle. And there you go. So we'll just show you a few more angles, because this development here is just slightly different from the one as soon as you drive in. And yep, perfect. You got the deck shot. So you can see that you really are blocked with that wall. So you have privacy with that deck. And that's it. Going to bring you down right now. You're going to see that front door again and get started on the boots in the ground tour and go all through the house. So here we go. All right, here we are at 8 Michael Court, boots on the ground. In fact, we're going to go right inside and get right to it. And then we're going to go through the entire house and then shoot around the outside. So here we go. In we go. And take this in as soon as we open it up. I had one from a few weeks ago, but this is looking amazing. So open concept, even this though, down to the basement. You can see it's open, contemporary, but quite honestly, finished very, very well. So notice the hardwood floors. Notice some of the details here with the woodworking. It is, it's phenomenal. So I'll take you through with the gas fireplace there. Gonna tuck you in the corner here and take that in. Look at that beautiful shot. So sneak peek at the backyard. We're not going out there quite yet. We do have a walkout basement, by the way. So there is technically a room down there, but we'll see that. So big dining area, great for entertaining, really, really open, and take that in. So also the kitchen has this window here where you're not disconnected when you're entertaining, and gives a great shot of the kitchen. So one more shot of this room, taking the paint and everything, and here we go. So plenty of room for the table there. The cabinets, I believe they're cherry, I'll always double check. Ceiling fan, recessed lighting, granite countertops, and look at this. So, fun fact here, here's the laundry room. And I'll show you what's in here, because we do have a central vac. And that's downstairs, but I believe one of the hoses is up here. There we go. So just letting you know, great space here. 2-car garage, no pole. Plenty of additional storage too. See a cabinet there, and look at that. Great for a man cave, a woman cave, a hideout. I mean, with COVID and certain things, I've seen a lot of people working out of their garages. So there we go. Big 2-car garage. We'll spin you around slowly. We'll go right back into the laundry room. And then you're going to see that kitchen again. And we'll show you this 1-floor living. We'll spin around. So here technically is bedroom number 1. So bedroom number 1, big closet there. I'm going to pull you all the way in here and spin you around without getting you dizzy. So there you go, the built-ins are there. Good sized closet too, by the way. Just to show you, hardwoods there. And it tucks to the side. So technically bedroom number 1 clearly set up as an office. And then over here, we have the coat closet as soon as you come in. See how deep that is? Hardwood floors continue through there as well. And then this is bedroom number 2. So built-ins in the closet. I will show that to you. See the vaulted ceiling there on an angle. And look at this. So plenty of storage space.
Really a cool design feature. That goes right into the bathroom if you want to kind of make it a princess suite. But you can go in this way as well. So we won't hide anything. There's the shower. Pull you around. And something else too, as I bring you up there, crown molding. So really the attention to detail here is, to me, off the charts. Little linen closet. And then this is the primary bedroom. So the way I'm going to call it, this is bedroom number 3. But the primary bedroom, that's a king bed. And again, it follows the same design that we've seen throughout the house with the additional molding and woodworking, and this ceiling just makes it feel so much bigger. So plush carpet, spin you around here, take a look at this closet, true walk-in closet, and then this bathroom with the double sinks. Look at that. Shower over here, all by itself, and if you really want to, you have the tub as well, jetted tub. Unbelievable bathroom. So there we go, little linen closet built in, and that will complete the main floor. So, doesn't end there, but you get the whole sense of it here. Now we're gonna head down, you're gonna see the basement. There is more or less a 4th bedroom here, and you know, that's for you to determine, because we do have a walkout basement. So you can see this walkout basement there, full bathroom there, and technically set up as a bedroom. There you are. You can see the size of this. That is a queen bed. Spin you around. So the floor, I believe, is all painted or epoxy. I'll check on that. And here is the bathroom. So they did not go with a small bathroom. Plenty of room here. Even extra space to the right here. I thought would be a good place for, well, they have storage. Look at that. And then the walk-in shower. So I'll take you back. That is phenomenal. And 2 other unfinished spaces. So this is one of them for storage. You can see the poured concrete foundation. Here's your water line coming in. Plenty of storage here. And look at this. So take this in, by the way, too. Simply massive. High ceilings. I really like what they did painting it. And this is the unfinished space, but quite frankly, they keep it very neat and clean. There's the HVAC. It's a train unit. I'll show that to you outside. There's a central vac. Plenty of storage here, high ceiling height, and here's your panel. So, 200 amp service. You can see everything there. Just take this in. I really do love an unfinished part of the basement that's super clean. And this is that. So I'll take you around. I'll just kind of show you a peek outside because you can walk right out. And the water heater's hiding behind there. There you go. There's the backyard. But we're gonna bring you up and take you out on the deck. So here we go. Look at that. And just enough lighting, by the way. You could always add more, but it is quite bright down here. And that's gonna be one of the best shots of the basement space. So up we go. Then we're gonna head into the living room. By the way, that is a rather large dining room table. And if you take this, you know, one piece at a time, this massive combined room, that's a big dining area. It really is. You could even fit a bigger table in there. And then the living room. So beautifully designed. We're gonna head back out here and show you what we got going on. Here's the deck. Great little sitting area. And just to show you too, how big it is. Because I don't know if the drone shots did it justice. So here you go, just a few steps down. I'm gonna help you map it out and see exactly where that walkout basement is. You can see it right there. And I'll just take you back to the cornermost part of the yard so you can get a sense of how big this is. And nice too. So you're on a cul-de-sac here. So now we're just gonna come around, you'll see the side of the house. So you'll see the matching train unit here. Matches the heater downstairs. There you are. You can see the gas line, the gas meter. I'm gonna back you up. You've got a pretty big side yard here too. So there you are. We're just gonna come around to the front, show you that to make sure we covered every single angle of the house. And there you are. So, 8 Michael Court. Beautiful tree right there. The 2-car garage. And I'll leave you right there. All right, and here we are slowly walking down the street. So the good news here is this is essentially a cul-de-sac. So there should be no through traffic, which is fantastic because everybody coming down here is somebody who lives here. So take that in, see how the houses are spread out, see how well maintained they are, and just beautiful.